Hello everyone, welcome to today's tutorial. In this video, I'm going to teach you how to create a pass on Roblox. It is a very pretty quick and easy method. So without wasting your time, let's get started. First, log in your Roblox and then click the create options. Scroll down and you can see, make sure your profile is a public. Then click this. Scroll down, monetization, and you can see the third option, passes. Click and then scroll down, create a pass. You can change the image, but I'm not changing the image. You can add any name, just as like now the descriptions. You can add any descriptions which you want. So then click the create a pass. It is a very simple and easy method to create a pass on Roblox. I hope this video is helpful to you. Please subscribe my channel and like my video.